Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's tutorial to do the benchmark test comparison between the Realme GT versus Mi11 device. So both phones are the Snapdragon 888 processor, and I'm trying to use doing this process with the external RAM capabilities because my Mi11 did receive the external RAM capabilities as well, which is a 3GB RAM, and whereas the Realme GT has got the 5GB RAM expansion. As you can see friends, exactly. As you can see, 3GB versus 5GB. So using this kind of RAM extension, I'm trying to use the ANTU benchmark test at this moment. Let's see how much difference we can actually expect between both phones, which are Snapdragon 888 processor, and the GPU and the CPU score. I'll try to compare side by side, and how much high temperatures can the phone actually reach. That is what another point is, because we do know the Snapdragon 888 processor will definitely get a lot of heat. Let's see in this video. Let's demonstrate what is happening. And during this process, I'm trying to keep the 50% brightness in both phones. As you can see friends, 50% brightness is selected. All the background apps are completely clean in both devices. So let me try to open the ANTU benchmark test application in both phones and start the test. Right now, let me try to start the test. As you can see friends, the test has been begun in both phones. Let's see how much difference we can actually expect between the Mi11 versus the Realme GT in terms of the CPU and the GPU scores. In the beginning, the temperature is about 32 degrees, not bad, 31.8 and 32 degrees, as you can see exactly. So not bad at all in terms of temperatures. So again, I'll be back after a certain amount of time. Then we can actually discuss what is happening with the temperatures. As you can clearly see friends, right now after a certain amount of time, the temperature is of 36.4 degrees and 38.8 degrees. So I did feel the Realme GT is slightly increasing in terms of the temperatures throughout the time, little bit, 38.4, as you can see 38.6 and 36.6, slightly 2 degrees more than the Mi11 device. Yes. Even though both phones have got the Snapdragon 888 processor, but still, I can definitely see the slightly higher temperatures in the Realme GT device when you compare with the Mi11 smartphone. As you can see friends, clearly, how much higher the temperature is, 2 degrees, sometimes even 2.5 as well. So again, I'll be back after some time. As you can see friends, after 72% and the 74%, 41.2 degrees, and Mi11 is about 37 degrees. As you can see, Mi11, the Snapdragon 888 processor in this device, 37.2 degrees only, and this Realme GT is about 41.4 degrees. As you can see friends, exactly. So again, I'll be back after a certain amount of time. Then we can actually see what is happening with the final temperatures and final result, what will happen. So right now there is a difference of I think close to 4 to 5 degrees is there in terms of the temperatures between both phones, and backside it's of 39.8 degrees, 40 degrees as well, 40.4. Backside of the Mi11 is of 35.4 degrees, not bad. So again, I'll be back after a certain amount of time. As you can see friends, finally we got the results, and it's a difference between both phones in terms of the ANTU benchmark test. You can clearly see the difference. So the Realme GT has got really high scores than the Mi11 device in terms of the CPU, in terms of the GPU, and in terms of the memory, and in terms of the UX as well. Everything, the highest is found in the Realme GT model at this moment. As you can see, the level of optimization in giving full throttle for the phone. So 8,14,000 difference. As you can see, 8,14,000 highest score and 7,71,000. So there's a difference of close to 45,000 and 40,000 difference is there between both of the smartphones. And temperature slightly increased high, and battery also got drained a lot in the Realme GT model. As you can clearly see the battery draining. That's the thing. So thank you for watching this video friends. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, don't forget to check the playlist for more updates. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Signing off. Bye.